Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to use Readlang to improve your language acquisition. Let's start. Alright, so here we are at readlang.com. Here you can see the homepage. Learn language by reading whatever you like, which is true. Here you have the main languages it offers support for, plus 100 more languages. Um, you have everything on the homepage. Right, I would like to go to the pricing plans. Right now I'm using the free package. I don't need more than the free one, to tell you the truth. However, for the premium you get extra support from AI, which I'll show you in a second. So let's start. So you should start by signing in, or let's actually start learning. So you pick the language that you are learning right now. Let's say French. You start with creating a new account here. I wouldn't recommend using Google. I don't like attaching all my other accounts to Google, but it's up to you. So I will sign in since I already have an account. Here we are. So let's start by the home page of your account. Here you have the practice flashcards of words that you already translated. Here you have the text that you didn't finish, that you've been reading last. And here you have your statistics, how many words you translated today or before, and if you have a streak. Here you can click on this in order to get emails daily in case you forget about your daily practice. So let's just go to the library because that's the main thing. Here you go at My Text. So My Text is the place where you find the text that you uploaded. Here you see Upload Text. Let's just wait for the page to fully load. Here you have Upload Text. Right, so you click on it. Let's say you have a file on your computer. Here you go. You could add text manually if it wasn't a large text, so you can copy paste from a different page or different text. However, if you have a book that you are reading right now, you will have to convert it first using Calibre to either a text file or an EPUB file. All right, which is not difficult. Calibre is very easy to use. Maybe I will make another video showing you how to use Calibre. And after you transform it, then you choose the file. It will show you a browsing menu. Right now, I don't really need it. I already have a text which was uploaded. So, library. Here you can find to read or all the text that you have uploaded. You have here the completed texts. When you click on this, it will show you the amount of words that you've read. Here you go. So you have completed 42 texts containing a total of 60,550 words. Great work, keep it up. Here there is a text that was deleted by the owner. Doesn't matter, it happens sometimes. Anyways, so let's go to read. Click on it. So let's say that I'm reading this text right here, and here I found a sentence which I don't understand. Souhait, right? Wishes. This is a translation automatically created by Google Translate. All right. So here you have your toolbar. Here it gives you an explanation. Le mot souris en français. This is an AI generated explanation from ChatGPT. You can read. It gives you an explanation in French. You could change that. However, I would recommend you using the target language as the language as the explanatory language. And here you can change this to English. As you see, it will also give you a translation explanation in English. It depends on your level, I guess. If you're still a beginner, you might use your mother tongue as an explanation source. All right, you can edit the word. This is basically the card, the word card that appears in the words here. So I clicked on Souhait. Here it is. It gives you the context, the phrase where you found this word. If you found it in multiple occasions and clicked on it, it will add different contexts as well. This is relevant for the flashcards that you will have to repeat later in order to keep your memory active. Um, Here you have the dictionary. So this dictionary you can choose. Here it uses word reference. All right. So let's go to Readlang to settings. Let's go back. So here you click on settings and you have different settings, context aware translations. You can click on this and the AI takes into account this surrounding sentence for more accurate translation. So it increased the accuracy. You have better AI model. Speaking mode, you can use a speaking mode. However, I do not recommend speaking mode since it's an AI voice. It's not very good. It's robotic. You have daily reminders here. So this is the dictionary. You could either choose a translation or a monolingual. So monolingual dictionary, it uses the definition of the word from Wiktionary. It depends again on your level. If you're still a beginner, I wouldn't recommend using a monolingual dictionary right away. Wait till you are in the intermediate level and then use the monolingual dictionary. So if you have a better dictionary than word reference, you just write its URL here, the link, and it will use it afterwards as the main dictionary. All right. From this tab here, you can change the font. You can increase the size. Yeah, depending on what you prefer. Line height. You can increase the distance between lines. The column can get larger or smaller. The appearance, Helvetica, depending on what you prefer. The font, New Times Roman, or just dark versus light. This centers the text. This makes it align left. Context-aware translation. Here you go. However, it only works for the premium plans. Okay, I don't need it right now. So I keep basic translation. So you could highlight or underline if you prefer this, or replace. So the word disappears, the French word disappears at all. So I prefer this. On deselect word phrase. So I would keep flashcard. So this means that if you deselect the word, the flashcard will automatically be deleted. So let's keep flashcard. Review summary buttons, show height. These are different settings. This is for read aloud if you wanted to read aloud. I don't recommend it. Here are the words. The edit, you can edit the text here if it's the text that you uploaded. I'll show you now how to use this YouTube function. For instance, let's say you have a song, right? So you have the text for the song, you add it, and then you go to YouTube, find the link for the song, and click on YouTube and add it here. Of course, if I remove this, then what happens? Then here I will have to add the YouTube video. Go to YouTube and you copy paste the link. And add YouTube video. Right? And then you synchronize the words with the text. It's already done.
Rappelle-moi le jour et l'année. Rappelle-moi le temps qu'il faisait. Et si j'ai oublié.
Anyway, you get the gist of it, and the translation works the same as the unusual text. Let's go back. So, public text, you could have here text uploaded by other users who are also learning the same language as you are. Here you have the category of the difficulty of the text. So from beginner to advanced, let's say you want intermediate, between intermediate and advanced, or rather from beginner till intermediate. Here you could choose by the word counts from 0 to 1000, 1000 to 10,000, or 10,000 plus. Here you can see that the texts are automatically categorized into intermediate B2 or B1. However, this categorization is done automatically by the computer, by the software itself, and it's not really accurate. It's not very accurate, not for all languages anyways. Here are the filters. So the category, you have songs. You can click on this and it will show you different songs prepared from other users. Alright, so all those. And here you have, let's say you want to read a fiction, a novel. You can find here stories. There you go, for instance, Romeo and Juliet. Alright, or other texts. Anyways, it depends on what you're going to choose. Here you could organize the results, the search results. I'll just remove this now. It's all, yeah. So from hot, which are new and are getting red, to the top, so the most liked texts, and the newest. Alright, you could just right here, right away, if you want to search, let's look for Sherlock Holmes. Do you have any Sherlock Holmes? Yes, here you go, the Sherlock Holmes français. And Un scandale en Bohème. Alright. Now let's go to websites. So these are websites, so news outlets, magazines, Wikipedia, French Wikipedia, other things. You're welcome to use them, of course, if you want to read about news, Le Monde Diplomatique, for instance. Let's pay a quick visit to how to add the Readlang extension on your browser. So here with Reader, Readlang. Here, if you have using the Chrome, you just put it up. Um, so let's say we already installed it. Now let's go to library and then to websites. So let's Figaro, anything. For instance, let's read this article. So I activate the Readlang extension, sorry. Just click on it. Make sure that you're signed in. However, once you're signed in into the Readlang website itself, if you use it right away, then you're already signed in. I am signed in. Okay. So it works exactly the same way as if you were on Readlang itself. So if you want to translate this word, was, you can, like that. Or you could, even if you prefer to read um, in Readlang, so you could just right click on the web page and then click on import to Readlang, and it will just save it. So you just go to Readlang and you will find it right away in your texts, ready, waiting for you. Yeah, right. It will just import all of the entire article into your library. When you finish the text, you get this message: congratulations, you have reached the end of the name of the text. And this gives you the word count, and then you just return my text, and that's it, basically. All right. Uh, let's go to the flashcards. So here you have different modes, blitz. So you don't type, you just use your flat cards. You just read the word and the meaning. Here you pick. Se trouvait dans un cadre semblable à celui d'un couvent, entouré de peu d'officiers travaillant et méditant sans se mêler au service courant. So you click on the right answer, you get correct, and you move on. It shows you a word. Chapitre means chapter. Excellent. CDC, well, you can just edit. You can just delete this. Delete. Yeah, give the word. Okay, yeah, delete it. Okay, so here you have the English translation: motivation, resilience. Um, Here, you can click on it to hear it out.
Ressort.
Ressort. Okay. Um, You have a translation. You can edit it. So you see, it gives you an AI explanation as well, and all that. So let's try other modes. As you have seen, in the Blitz mode, you don't type. However, when you pick the mastery, then you are required to type the word. Principe qui nous gouverne, ne se donne jamais à lui-même le trouble d'aucune passion, par exemple la passion de la crainte, qui s'infligerait de... So, let's show hint. Ends in gré. Just show answer. Son plein gré. Okay. So, learning mode for this word. So you can choose active or passive. Let's just, okay, let's use the active one. So when it shows you, it keeps showing you words, and then at the end, it asks you to write it. So I'm just seeing this word and be careful because it needs the exact word, so don't mess up the accent on the letters. Um, here you go. Continue. Surrender. So he's looking for surrender. Au total, le détachement français avait fait au combat plus de 4000 prisonniers et reçu à Massawa la reddition de 10 000 autres. Alright. Anyway, so I think you get the gist of it. Here, the third mode is classic flashcards. So I think this is the old. Yeah, this is how Readlang used to be. Okay, that's L. It's not really a flashcard. You can just ignore this one. Just delete it. Oh, so it shows you, and then you pick. Did you know this? Not at all. Almost, yes. And depending on your choice, it will show it to you later on um, whether it's a shorter interval or a longer interval between the last time you've seen this word. So if I click on not at all, it would show it to me again. So I remember this one, yes. These are yes, I remember this. So yes. Yes, I know this word. Yes, yes, yes. And then after you're done with the passive mode, so it shows you now brief and so and asks you to write the French meaning like this. And it's correct. Alright? And then you can keep going on or just get out. And here you have the statistics of how many words you've studied or learned. And here it shows you the words that it will show you in a couple of days, or the words that you already know, and it will show you in 4,340. It's repetition. Well, this is it. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. It's a bit long, but it's very detailed. I hope you used in order to improve your language acquisition journey. Now, enjoy the rest of the day or good night, wherever you are. Signing out. Goodbye.